What is up, Pokemon fans, and welcome back to part number 2 of this Roaring Skies booster box. So if you haven't watched part 1, please go ahead and do so. You will not be disappointed, I can tell you that. So, here we go with another 9 packs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright. Okay, so here it is, 9 packs. Okay, first pack of the day. My kids are playing outside with Uncle right now while I'm doing this. Alright, we got Skyfield, Ninjask, Dustox, No Trainers MLV sticker, Fletchling, Bagon, Electrike, Tailo, Execute, Bagon Reverse, and a Zatu, non-holo rare. Alright, next pack. Okay, 3 cards in the front. Steven, Gallade Spirit Link, Wide Lens, Electrike, Tailo, Bagon, P-Dove, Swablu, Fletching Reverse, and a Hydreigon EX. Nice. Seeing pretty much the same EXs that I got in the other box too, so yeah. Not getting any Rayquazas. Like Mega Rayquazas or something like that. But then again, you know, I would love to get another full art Shaymin. Who doesn't love Shaymin? Alright, 3 cards in the front. We got Steven, Gallade Spirit Link. 3 same cards as the last one? Wow. Execute, Dratini, Electrike, Tailo, Bagon, Electrike, and the Unpheasant regular rare. Alright. So we're almost halfway into, well, yeah, we're like about halfway in right now. We are at our 4th pack. And we got, I don't know yet. Alright. Special Energy, Latios Spirit Link, Ultra Ball, Halucha, Pikachu, Natu, Spearow, Voltorb, Unpheasant Reverse, and a Victini regular rare. We're at a 5th pack now. Alright, let's see what we can get. Come on, full art Shaymin. Let's go. Or secret rare Trainer's Mail, or secret rare Via Seeker. Alright, Dragonair, Gallade Spirit Link, Shogun, Electrike, Bagon, P-Dove, Nankada, Swablu, Spearow Reverse, and a Carbink rare. Alright, here it is, next pack. Wait, hold on. Here's another code for you guys. Again, I don't know what you can get in these mythical collection boxes, but I don't need them. Alright, so here it is. Let's go. Okay, here it is. Oh, look at that card. 3 cards in the front. Fletchender, Ultra Ball, Ninjask, Wurmple, Nankada, Binacle, Spearow, Dunsparce, Carbink Reverse Rare, and an Unpheasant rare. Alright, here we go. 3 packs, 2 packs after this. Let's see what we can get, guys. Fletchender again. Ultra Ball again. Ninjas again. Oh man. Swablu, Wurmple, Nankada, Binacle, Articuno reverse rare, nice. And a Dustox rare. Done 2 packs, guys. 2 packs for the second part. Alright, here we go. Oh, here's our first trainer's mail. Nice. That is awesome. Fletchinder, Wildlands, Inkay, Cascoon, Meowth, Binacle, Gligar, Wingull, and a Carbink. Rare again. Last and final pack of this second part. Ruined Skies box. Alright. Let's see what we can get out of this. 3 to the front. We got a Shelgon, Revive, Pelipper, Voltorb, Gligar, Shuppet, Meowth, Cascoon, Wally, Reverse, and an Articuno, regular rare. Alright, so just this EX for part number 2. Alright, hopefully we can get a full art Shaymin in the last 2 parts of this box. Alright, if you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button for more Pokemon openings. And I will see you guys in the next one. Catch you guys later.